Hi guys, back with another video here on It's Vlogging Time with Josh channel. And just a quick little video just to explain some changes we're doing on my channel, as well as at least monthly vlogs. I will be maybe doing some building and painting tutorials on this awesome game called Warhammer. Now, if you don't know what Warhammer is, it's a strategy-based war game. And the best thing is, you can buy your very own little minifigures made out of plastic. You can have them ready-made, or you can build them, and then you can paint them with all these special paints. And what I plan to be doing in the future is to show base coating of your models, which is basically where you lay over a coat of one colour, and that's your base, your primary colour, but then you can do it over again in a different colour, because then the first one may act as a primer. So yeah, that's just a bit of info about painting, because then you do your details. There will be more detailed videos on these upcoming vlogs. I'm going to do a series. I'm going to put a playlist up on my channel page, and I'm going to title it something along the lines of Warhammer playlist or something like that. Comment your ideas down below for names of it. I will read all of your comments. Shout out to people who commented on my Broadman review video. Adventures with Alan. Your comment was really helpful. It was great feedback. Glad you enjoyed the video. And also, someone I know said they were booking because of my video, so that's also awesome. If you don't know, I'm filming currently from my brand new tripod, just going slightly off the topic. My dad brought it home from work one evening, and it's been really helpful in the past. Believe it or not, it's my second time using it. So I haven't been using it as much as I should have been, but I've had a little break from YouTube because I haven't thought of much to film. But now I've had all these ideas about Warhammer because I've recently got into the game. It's basically a hobby. You collect figures, as I will explain in future videos. One upcoming I will do about like an awareness vlog, and I'll put a little disclaimer in the description down below about what it's about and all that. So if you know you want to check it out, you'll be glad to know that I have introduced intros and outros to my videos, which are going to be applied to this video. Comment down below also if you do like them, because that would be helpful, and then I can change them if necessary. So that would be awesome feedback from you. If you're watching this today, hope you had a nice day. Went over to Brightling Sea and had some fish and chips. It was awesome down there. Going back to Warhammer, about the vlogs I'll be doing, I can't say it enough, paint, and I will build. Now, Cameron, as you may know, he's my identical twin brother. Yes, we look fairly alike, as you can probably tell. I'm planning to do vlogs with him about painting and building too, so that'll be awesome. Little collab there. You should go check out his YouTube channel, Cam the Intense Pokemon Gamer, but I think he's renamed it now. I'll have to double check with him what it's called, and I'll put it down in the description. But I think it's Cam the Intense Pokemon Gamer. On that note, I will go off that topic now. So, I have a ton of Space Marines. Well, by a ton, I mean 2. Excuse me there, I've got a bad cold. But I have 2 Space Marines that I'm going to build and paint on a vlog, maybe. Hopefully, I will. But it just depends about my time schedule and how I do things. But I'll transfer you into some gaming. I'll put this clip in with a gaming clip, and I'll also do another vlog about how I make my videos and do that on a screen recorder and show how I edit it and upload a video. But obviously I won't actually upload it because you don't want some random video like ABC or 123 or something. because you don't want to waste your time on that. You want to be watching the rest of my cool videos and other YouTubers' videos. See, I'm not the kind of YouTuber who forces you to like my videos, subscribe to my videos. I'm not like obsessed. I'm not subscriber driven. To me, that's just a bonus. I'm just doing what I love. I'm following my dream, my passion. I like reporting to you guys about what I like, and I want to make videos in future about what you like. If one of you guys could actually tell me in the comments how to make an iCard up in the right hand corner, I will do surveys in my videos to get information from you. Not personal information, like feedback, like what could I do better? What sort of video should I use? So yeah, that'd be awesome, but the comment section's already there for now. Oh gosh, I'm having a bad day today for my cold. With that, I hope you have a nice day, or rest of your day. Peace out, guys. And I don't know what else to say, but bye-bye for now.